Ubi koso kama pa.
Jo. Obanyi mwako aba.
Yeah, ye buru me am over say.
Over. Boko there.
Why efe?
You see some over. Gara gas to say.
Anya me ada roma bibia koso boko.
Oni bia e kama. Jo.
Bibia koso boko.
Mate. Araje ni puso. Sa me ma mention say few so. Asem gidi say we di catch da. E na mate o kaka de ache o. O hwe ma penya appointment yi mu a. Na so afo na especially 110. De hin na hu sa say na fonom na ebusuafo ne ade. Aso oni wura kwachefu su e adwana.
Minu ya medase de di kan mamema yahwefo nyina adwo se enwumra na dwi o magyebre ehwe wo wafidi kese so na wo so memo waba so odwuma so a woni wafidi emudiboa o my Ghana npuntu mene onyonyamfo felosofusu kwache ya adwen se abusua mamuo enamfo amamuo emma amamuo ase okonofo amamuo ekosui eyadutwema Ghana yehu bi mpanyinsem da.
Okay.
Na de di kankra no ma menkyere de enti ehu hia se yedi sankomo we. On de broni friend nepotism no. Eyade a utu kwan kɔ nkro ahodo matu mpon nyina so a eyade a eye achiwade eyade obi akasetia. Esan se esei oman. Se yeto aba eyi mpanyimfo a de yehwe ne se de di kan mpanyimfo no akwanya ewo ho so mo bema kuruma ne amanfo adwuma no ewo se koma obi biara.
Okay.
Emfa ho ni abusua ofrim, emfa ho ni kura ofri so, emfa ho ni efia ofrim. Enti se yeto abama opanyi bi na oba na ode beye namfosem abusuasem a eha what you say because emma omo a omaka no ya ka akire no akwanya se yeso ye wo chefa bi wa mamu num yeso ye wo chefa bi e wo manimu eno ne ade edi kanti a sa abusua mamu ne namfo mamu de fe ne depotism no okọ wiase afa na nyina obi akasetia de toso mienu so ne se sa nyema ne koso wa mamu bi mu a eboa e makro no ne katasehye ne proye koso esan se wo mu ankasa mu UTV a mu wa me se me de example me de ye mfanto ho a se wo na wo ye managing director wa ha ena cameraman ye wunua bema hostess ye wunua ba ne de keka menua so mo ye bone a se be ye dia ma so beka so ti ase enu nti no eni se ye ma wutumi se buoman a wo de positions ene akwanya ewo oman ni mu nyina ma wunua nom wabusuafo ne de keka because so mo koye bone bi a untimi se kire wo se nka emfa wo nan si form emma mra nya adwuma nti sa ade no boa emma dwirim proye ne katasehye ne proye ekoso but obi bisa se adenti na aban we bae abusua mamuoi adokunu aban we se nokomoa adenti na bibia mamuo we ayese kokofu bobo unu anima ayempase akoye oncheni united ena chese krobi fo so nko a wonya ochini woni akufu ado woni ado dankwa woni oforiata unfiri ochi mamu a ye wo dibre bia ehu hia pa wo de nya de a obenya bi da adenti na tesa so enti no de ye kenyina ne se e wo se Ghana for ye sori waka ne ye se kire ye se aduasa mienu ka no kire kire ban we se sa abusua mamuo na ekoso no etan hwe ye wura philosophy kwa cheka se bi o se ebi si Ghana da na ebi so si abibiri mu Africa hada se ye hu aban bi a o ye abusua mamuo te se de aban we ye no mene ne ya adwe na me de bi free se wate aban we kura post so aden because the ekoso no wo wiase afa na nyina abakose mo bi si da in the history of the world man panyi bi ani wa wababa ye abusua mamuo se da even India me of Uganda, Mobutu Sese Seko of Congo, omunyina anye de mampanyi President Akufo-Addo okay. Na hwefo e bia me ka obi beka sa manyosem na meka. Enya manyosem ye no kretro do hwe. Ye to abama MPP for mo betena konwa so no. De omudi kan ye ne se mpanyufo a omo wa aban we mu nyina no. Omo bedi kan ahwe omo mma ene omo abusuafo. Enti mampanyi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na menua odi kan start here. And for the first time wo Ghana yabakosemu Oma ono ankasa ne ba post eye Jankroma Akufo-Addo say onko Creative Arts Council because na ni giagudie ho no onko that board so a ene President Akufo-Addo for the first time in the history of Ghana ono nko ne mampenya wa ma ne ba post ne banage per diem ne banage aketua ne ba no chese oje sika ni bibia o yes adwuma se adwuma na bia ka onu aba bi betimi ayo so mampenyi di ama ne baba mampanyi wie ya na bedi akire eye Dr. Bawumia so ba no te mampanyi se wa ma obaba post de ne me so akame o ye meden se Bawumia wo de uni baby a wanyina metima mani post nti de ne be
se na mampanyi
o me kire mu o se o makonta Abu Ramadan ho onye MPP ni de nso be ne den mampanyi se yemfa ne ko nadmo no nko ye deputy director ho ena Bawumia konta Abu Ramadan o nadmo deputy director ofiri ho o say oh aka myself as a conofo na now we dey o say okay as a conofo Abu Ramadan so no yenye na amrado ambassador for United Arab Emirates and oye ne sa masa ofiri wo kwansima na speaker of parliament so by mampanyi me so ye meden se me ba be ma ba ko Mike Okwe Junior mampanyi say yemfa ne ko India no so nko ye amrado on ne si Ghana na mu nyina wo India na Mike Okwe so eje ne de o wi akire na ne party banu deni MPP for acting national chairman Freddie Bile so nim no ono so o se o mampanyi me so ye meden me so me ni baby a me manyina ye sorted o se okay o yere fa o yere bra na ono so ne yere Gina Bile ano ye Delhi graphic trade for penny why an ambassador to German it wo hwe a so president vice president speaker of parliament omunyina obi age ne de o we na senior ministers wa ba mampanyi aka me senior minister ya wasafo manfo ye mampanyi krom ni a obeka kire Ghana mabunu nyina say adwuma ni o mamu ha na o my Ghana ho ye public sector no kra ho aba peso nti e wose ye yi amanfo adi no a wose adwuma ni wo for Ghanaians no no osafo manfo etimi ahwe ye nim ne mamienu bako di Kofi Bosompem osafo manfo ode na cosnet no wakwa ye ne deputy director no wafa bako Kwadwo Jamfi osafo manfo no de na ko NCA National Communications Authority no so wakwa ye ne deputy director nti se mpanyufo ni nyina onche ni United no ene abusua mamu no kokofu bobo no saa na ekoso minua na omuye we kura wie no mutwa so a kenye me ya omuye we wie kura no mutwa so se de aka no so afoforo nya bia kenye me ya hwe unim so o my Ghana yesi kasem nyina de ohwe so ye friend Ken Oforiata arefo ntem ye pa Ken Oforiata ye President Akufo-Addo ma menuaba yesi kasem nyina di bre hu hia se o de amane ma menuaba oye nunua afa so o my Ghana ya kwan a ye nyina Minister for Roads and Highways de odano ye friend Kwesi Amoakwata ono so ye mampanyi President Akufo-Addo ma menuaba ono so no de akwose ne sa wo so hwe akwan nyina so ya kana jai na afoforo so nya bie na do se wonte ase nin ma menua baba ko no so ye fe no atachia no wa mani post se o my Ghana ya dansie hu sem nyina na adwuma ye nyina Minister for Works and Housing ono so nkoda no ono so de ono so ayeden e de ama no enti o ma fasa positions ni nyina unim se wo my Ghana musisi aban lawyer panyi o de owo to me so betimi aka se me de obi ko court me fo obi nko court ne de keka wunyina eye ma me Gloria Kufu ono so na nado danko Akufo-Addo ni nua ono so de ama no wo de no to nchen a o my Ghana nyina ye course e wa ha ya judgefo e wa ha wunya asema baby ade be ko asem di bie wa ha nyina de ye hye ne nsa a ye friend Chief Justice no eno so mampanyi di ama ni krom ni e je so ne ni firi abusua ba ko e ye Justice so fa Yakufu enti masa finance a ye de ama ni nua roads a ye de ama ni nua Works and Housing a ye de ama ni nua Attorney General de mi nua hwe de ye me yakra ne se o manyi yakatua won sem abadwuma yefo akatua won sem nyina de oda Fair Wages and Salary Commission ye friend Edward Kwapon ono so mampanyi na nado danko Akufo-Addo ni nua ni krom ni ene ni nua prekope ene ode ama no enti de bre hu hia bia so no President Akufo-Addo na nkasa agis aboso e de ama ni nua mi nua nya no nko o free ministers nim na ko flag server so mampanyi bebe o ye adwuma de otu ne fo de ode mampanyi futu tufo eye Duke Oforiata o ye mampanyi ne ma mi nua ba on etu mampanyi fo de o ye mampanyi ankasa ne trefo panyi asem no that is why I'm saying say we India mi kura anya bi o butu sese kura anya bi de ono na ye mampanyi trefo panyi de friend executive secretary to the president o de kata bi e koma mampanyi an sem ne be fa no ono so friend na Asante be di etu mampanyi nua flag servers nko ano no omu wie ho no mo say okay Ghana ha ye wo board bi asika wo ho ti ase nti ye ho so no ye mpake ye nua no mampanyi na nkasa o me nua wo ko ba bi ti say GMPC a omo na Ghana ye oyila ye tu nyina omo hweso maye asika wo ho yie mampanyi no afa ne wo fa ase eye gabi ochire da ko ne yire eye Nanajoa Hackman no de na kwa akotena board no so ti gabi ochire da ko yire ene wo da GMPC oko Ghana Oil Limited eye goela a omo so sika wo ho yie pa key institutions like that I reform with me yo mampanyi nua baba ko aye friend Rodalin Bafo Jima ono so de na kwa to board so ho asema mi kan nyina no kretro do enti GMPC a o mafa board member mampanyi nua ukọ goil so a mampanyi nua me nua nya no nko a kwetema adan ya yesisi no ho se yenyema kese ehu hia tema development corporation and also come mampanyi nyai ma abusuafo aka ne Ghanafo aka nya sa tema development corporation so o de ama chese ni nua ba prekope oni ye fe na Alex Oforiata no ono so akwaje e na ukọ SIC a omo financial services wa omo ye omayi insurance sika semo nsem so a omampanyi yankasa ni nua yere eye Eno Oforiata ono so yakwakoye ni deputy director o eti de ekoso no nua airtime na media man ye hu a me se wo se Ghanafo nyina we ye yi amanyosem film ni ehu ni se eye national crisis ni ye kan no kreche mampanyi se kwan ode o man ne fa so no obo ne se enne aswafo a wo mampanyi amamu we mu nyina esua mampanyi nante esa se mpanyifo se de odi akiri no osua de odi kan nante me pato meba hwe obi ti se Minister for Fisheries na se mote premises nsem ne kata sehye ne proya ekoso a premises wo se de koma afarefo no MPP aban we afa kwati kwan so ne kan asichi kwan so bo afarefo kro no omo gifri nkra ha enko a o mai boka odim de ntia sa anyame ne nyina ekoso kata sehye ne proya se ma meka ne bi ni o because ma me na ono ye eda fishery ministry ano no eye Elizabeth Afolikwe no ono ankasa so akofa ni nua be ma direct ye fa ni Joseph Botwe eno de premises se nyina hye ne sa ene ma sa anyame ne nyina ekoso nti krono no ekoso a ontimi nka ontimi nyina di ye bisa ma me ne sa de ntina wakwakofa unua na president Akufo Addo anya bi minua ne ye qualify ne menya den
ma me ne ka sa
pepe na ma me ne ka ye minua metie me life and colored na che se baby a ekono o eni enyan etan egu o meye ni ma se oman a ye wom position bia kwakoye abusua ba ko. This government is now a government of sons and daughters, a government of brothers and sisters, a government of nephews and cousins.
Thank you.
A government of natives and family members.
Before Mudi, Ubu Orma, assembly on Hong Kong, so Munya Ghana for it's a moment to be assembly on one Kedemana Enyana.
Dear me person me children say Ubenya to me. Now the debre wo mamunina ma wabusuafo ne wunua mo a. Minua say Eno Oforiata on the Ghana sika semsu nyina so di sika e be de na mampanyi aka se mampanyi ka se obeka pe masa ye be fe no amuati ofori panyi fie se bra ne esiesia se unim so nua no ade na akwakogu nanim ase o ti bi kan nanim asem masa se kwesi amuako Oforiata di sika na asa wo so mra ne nyadwuma mra be de na yadwuma because ode ne be kokota ko prosecute no na ye gro Akufo no eye ni nua mampanyi a obetimi ayi na di atwe na so no so eye ni nua eti kata se ne proye na ebe koso masa fa ne se mo ankasa ho UTV amwe na cameraman ogina hai ya be appointing director ya be appointing director by masa me yem fanto ho akere yenyina ye Ghana for yen ka no kura wu yen ka no krenkyere ye ho ne ye ade a enye no enye MPP ni ya enye NDC ni ya enye na cameraman ya ba be appointing ne se managing director wa adwuma mu a obaya cameraman na wafo mu nyina ni nnua ne ma na waba be for mo fa hostess no we yedi no de ni nua ba na wafa ha no mi nua mo kura mo ni beje ye mfasa de president Akufo Addo person ka kire se wo Ghana ha nyina e ono nko na busuafo ono nko ni kromfo ono nko ma masa enna ewo nyansa ni nimbi o betim de abo me ya
same aban bia ba
baby ayetan ne se me de manusi ni kura ansa na wasem bisa na ba de ama na ayetan ye me ya na ya tetesem eye ni bu asesem ama o man Ghana ne se position ni achecha ma abusuafo amasesei masa sebi impreduasa tie for franche me mano da sumina so sebi impreduasa baby mama screen nya positions hwe mi bitum ni na ma kiresi o mampanyi na nado danko Akufo Addo sebi impreduasa oba odi kan ne wo ne baba panyi omo sese ho no mo wo ye wanware oba akro ye fe no Virginia Hesi oba ye enam onche ni United koso ni Koko football boy koso ma me no ono so man appointment ambassador to Czech Republic eje se ba wo mi akontanya bi na ase wenya bi mampanyi ne ma mi mu na obo positions enti masa airtime mi we mi nyanko floor members mi nyanka deputy minister mi nyanka minister mi nyanka je se ye ka ni nyina je se no ma 10 hours
na ye tin nka no that question we follow up opanyi mi sa mo akwa ba jabempa
yozo
Oda Roma aban bia ba ewo oman mu a ehu se ode enafonum enuafo abewura ma esei oman no ye kan kwana na se mi so a eja kwachefo su kan uhunu se
ene mewura ho papa magana
adai
sami javi enti uti hai uma minim se wa betra ha kasa kire Ghana for
Pacho,
you
address the issue. But if you want to address my person, I will not allow you. Because I am not the topic for discussion. Let us respect ourselves. Mr. Sign. Now, can't topic net that don't address me. You are the moderator. Let us have this discussion in a civil manner. Let me redraw that. You cannot do that on the show. Please don't go. No, he should redraw it.
For him to
you cannot be talking about wisdom here.
For him to sit here and tell himself, call him to order. You don't have an issue. You cannot come and tell me that rubbish here. What are you saying? What do you think you are? Listen. What
are you talking about? You stay in the gutters.
Listen to me.
You are not talking about issues.
Are you going to call him?
I will not follow you to the gutters because what are you talking about? Address the issues. Don't address me personally. Mr.
Host,
you were the one who started insulting me. Mr. Withdraw. Are you allowing that comment to pass? I am here because you invited me here. And another panelist is telling me that you will answer. You show where so you on cast. I'm an inside. You show where so you be sad. I don't know good problem. Look at that. Say it.
Look at that.
Now I'm very Kenya.
The personality I can't touch you so.
Me respect mu show pa. Mo ye ma me boda mo akwa we won't be tra.
Withdraw what you have said.
Number one.
So withdraw what you are saying.
Message na akwa we the betra.
Look at what he said. If you are here for Ididi, I will withdraw from the program. And not because I don't partake in discussions.
Are you listening to me?
But I respect yourself.
Are you listening to me?
Even the host is telling you that so tell him set the rules. The program personal attack in your day and count. Number one. Kasa be through no more bar, we probably kasa outside and a betchere. Number one. I can tell who shout to a green for Jasso. Nipa no the message in the buy and asem all cano and nepotism and a kufuado akofa nebusian for and akofa way and you one at the end of the day. Yetikruma Ghana yankobe biao. You were part of a regime obeying what happened. Nipa osuma ma betina hano o see ye dede na nesami jamfi kasa no sai nipa no o take the whole nation ransom onye president ya appointed no onye minister onye but he was the most powerful person in this country ni enim no otumi kosesa Ghana for machines no their court gotem no asan dia be bele Ghana for no age hu sikadi ye hu de kokrom ha ye can nepotism serious one onye minister onye obia official of government Ibrahim Mahama dia na esi okroma dia pa na esi okroma ene ono anya the shenanigans abetina ha beka abansubani gbagben nyame na meka o minority leader in parliament and they oye was it John Mahama's government 25th February 2013 nyame na meka okojina my join online or say John Mahama's administration a fair weather friends family
and those people are closer to him. No co-president okra no a oduru ho a Randiabe no control friends like Randiabe mu no control president. To nya kwan etimi ma honyam na mekan my joy online here. Professor Ademensa onimu no sa papa no nepotism under President Mahama is getting out of hand. City FM 8 October 2016. Na amamwa o mampani bi betra so de na busuafo e na ewia o man sika e bo man no kro no we would they were not in position no. They were not in position, stealing as if there's no tomorrow. Juicy contract be o kroma bia no anye Alfred Mahama ebe Ibrahim Mahama anye Ibrahim Mahama ebe Hwan Mahama family no fair weather friends and almost as so milk this country. Now ni bibi o sorry I say ofuriata e na hwan sabi abusuan bi mu no obi na ka say wan fo abusuan fo nko school mo musuan de akufu ado abusuan fo o masuan de ken ofuriata go and check his track records. Kumasi yonko ebe ye wo ameye minti no ahoya unma ahoya nkofo obubo omudin no kire se wan na mbobra Ibrahim Mahama ye nimu no ansan no be President Mahama ba bedi oman oforiata odo hu ba betuto oforiata se nepotism oforiata owe oman sika komu a finance minister ti komu ha ye nimbra wabo se bi onye hwekwa wotima set bank data bank am employ over millions of people Ghana ha mebo aka chem se mebo wa bonne bra papa bi enu ni ahoya ni dwaso hantan fia rehoni kunsun ni ensem hu a NDC for ni sami jonfi no mu ye no ebi no no betra no mu a
are you moderating this show
na ensem amoka
Mr. Host
Sami Pacho
what's here sami
because ensem amoka we so kelo for yata okoya de ni afra
how you do your program
onu ni Ibrahim Mahama
let's continue once you are certain
onu ni Ibrahim Mahama why na bokro no e betima kana o hansem mi busa question wa bonne bra yesi show nipa no ni su ni ne ban wa ko ni school check his track records wo mo bubo mu di no ebi kura nya kufu ado abusuafo so wa kan dia fra wan ka cho se maame Gloria kufu ne busuani ne kufu ado ntro no betra ha no aka no fa ne ho adi tell a lie continue telling a lie it to always be the truth the facts still remain sa ne ka no dia the messenger no dia asem no ba ya philosopher su kwachi ni papa ni pon ni tetai totobi kwachi enti because any papa eye 333 ewo NDC mu a odi akotini nti no a o cancel hunu nti no ye man position no metena ho no cancel hunu ni di atem ne man post ni papa no sen papa ni totobi kwachi okoko beka so di na o be ma onko DNA test ni ehwese anya ni papa no no a it is an ye kanu ye list opa me ma list of people are omo a year omo one of the newspaper magazine a report to you on October 2015 a group of people are omo under President Mahama ministers of our omo almost 90% are from northern extraction. Make my bonus is here our ham. Opa, my memobo. And you know, so young President Mahama is seriously tribalistic. And I'm using that word tribalistic because, make my bo ministers in Ibi, Moses Asaga, Chief Executive Officer of National Petroleum Authority, Dr. Raymond Akongboro Atuguba, Executive Secretary to the President, Clementa Park, Presidential Staffer, Dr. Sule Garba, Senior Policy Coordinator, Office of the President, John Abdullah Jinapo, Minister of Energy and Petroleum, Mark Oyongo, Minister of Defense, Mohammed Al-Hassan, Inspector General of Police, Patrick Timbela, Director General of Human Resources, Mebo what a tobo say women now we Mahama appointed. Mebo so no boy, Mebo Bobby, actually. Odias here. James Agaga, Deputy Minister of Interior, also free semo. Ya sin ko fa me bo mu nyina no ama 80% Dr. Tia Sigri, Deputy Minister for Health, Dr. Alassane Ahmed Yakubu, Deputy Minister for Food and Agriculture, Benjamin Dagadu, Deputy Minister for Energy and Petroleum, Ibrahim Mutala Mohammed, Deputy Minister for Information and Media Relations, Mohammed Baba Ahmed Jamal, Deputy Minister for Local Government. These are almost about 200 appointees in his government were seriously from the northern extraction. So are we also to say, said bear his argument? The president of John Dramani Mahama administration, nepotism, he was highly tribalistic and highly nepotism to the extent or Kase Kufuado Ekofade gave Otis and saying Hot FM before President Mahama Beye, you know. Assembly BC said Oni Sebi allegedly Oni Obebia twins. I'm a once Mabama, Yahoo tape Barbontin, my justice, and one of the journalists, Eddie Barbontin, Emma Baba Wanu, you sue national security, state apparatus, vehicles, and you did born who buying Kuma. The Kuma, Tisadi Canada, Ababa Wanu, a man of contract, said Bas Branding, on canning and canning Sankan. Ah, no, yet me Tom Ghana Sika. Edi koma no de ko branded bag no yeso ndo ka asem kire president Mahama Asumwa wote no president Mahama mprano no enu ti no de ayin ma no ana enu ti the friends anu meta no ho hia pe Agbansumani Bagbin na asem o kan ye no. And now listen to the former president of the Republic of Ghana, me papa asem o kan ye o si NDC the main reason why they lost power in 2016 elections was the fact that acquire almost the principles and the moral high ground. I assume the dream and certain group of people surrounded the president. These are the people and we know them. We know them. And you know, see about nine years mine. Now Sebi obi abusuafo sebi let's assume graze bedi atu sebi awbo ni din no nana bedi atu okunu school papa bi wa bin obi na gaje say the president Mahama na busuani bi nko school anaze wa bin una papa be president minister Ndankroma munya all the opportunity to go to school. They had all the opportunity to go to school. That's why the man go school no be nua go school. That's what bin that's obetima ye adwuma no. The competence is what we are talking about. We are not talking about a situation whereby Ninuano and Sankan and so no. Obefemian Sakwanso Bomino Chrono because Nina is president. That is the impunity that we are talking about. That is where
say the family and friends a year Juma as a country
family and friends in this saying. Say George Bush. Let me give you an example. George Bush. George Bush. Ninuya Obedi president. Ninuya was a governor. Governor in California. Right? Ninuya no. He didn't get that position because he was not competent enough. And at the end of the day, what are we talking about here? Say, you share a busuakuo bi a basic kroma any list am dia ma no. Me nkan say nepotism alone. We are talking about a family. Ono no na busuafo no omo techire kitchen cabinet.
It's a and question.
That is what I'm saying. So but when somebody is competent enough,
so bet my
jumana. And one thing that we should not lose sight of the fact is say Akufo-Addo busuani. What is Akufo-Addo busuani bi abokro no? Ana busuani bi ewo aban mu a wako wiade. Ana wakofa bibi. Ana so what say wakofa group bi abase omomra mebu o man mfa so ne $100 million yina yenko hwenkofo no yeko kra yihu omo ana. And no man cause who Kruman. Me say kasi ye can adaje beboye. Okay. It mean asema is 2 points thing na make. One. Say o mampani bi ba krum ha on the one practicing nepotism. Or practicing what I will quote from Agbansumani Bagbin. Family and friends. Fair weather, family and friends. Right. We are not practicing serious tribalism. Tribalism at the highest level. Now let me quote the constitution of the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. They can't just say we are president now be do Oman so. Emrem muntia. I said Oman okay nyina ye bom.
Few minutes na fe.
Now ma regional balance. Na wo mpanimfo abeyi wo mama deda dwumaku ano no. Omo ye den enkrofo a omo free various parts of the country. Say mama list. Now listen, there's more I can give you.
Thank you very much.
In terms of what I talked about.
Oro usubempa na ebusia yete nka no. Same una obi aba.
Na makaya futu bi a me papa de ma me bra na me sha.
Say.
So no say same. Say wo dware. Na wabo ho edija na wo dware. Na wotawa wo de pepa wo no sen edware na no. Na bodamini ebeyita wo ni di komirika. Eni na chi. Because all the hunsama urodi na chi a uni ni mienu nyina ye hu de wabodam nti ene makai self futu nipa me pese me de ye adwuma se bi se bi preduasa ye ba ha nya atem didi akansie ne ye be ya atem didi dia ebinum wa enim so mo ye masters wo su be mpa no but enya atem didi ene enye anoya
ana personally bi ma waka chesi so refer to me personally bi ma because unum bibi
masa
oh yes small boy let him shut up because we start here no when this no ba muda and this ba muda be boys were men in this na say na boys were men go and ask your people they will tell you tabi mu man chance one small boy
obi any small boy
and also what came me that's why be I dream that can one yakasa so go to man I don't know
Debbie
don't even try it. Don't allow him to try that thing. Don't allow.
Can I proceed?
Proceed. My ready.
Enti dedika. Me mama ha se me bididi atem.
Sam ya tie no be free.
Ye ba ha se ye be cancel.
That's yan kwenu.
Me nua insem a okay nyina entaso no. Ababia ni. Ensem a okay na ono anka o ka kekere ne ho o ka kwa ne ho saa. Enti obetimi akoso adi atem a na amani mu award. Because ono de obo ni din obi ani say atem didie. The DS and on the most with that the so what I say, but I will not follow that trail because me boom me home. Ya kesi ya kwene me das. Mako school papa, me free party papa.
School na ko.
Oso papa school na. Oso discipline yourself.
Uko school papa.
Oso be how do you cast second?
Uko school papa. Uko school papa. Oso be even na school.
Because you are a joker. Oh, you are a party. You are a joker. I don't want to buy. Oso you are a joker. Mr. Only me we are not voice women. When you don't send me one program here. Oh yes, boy be consistent. Allow me to talk. What do you have? Apart from Joyce Muktari Bawa, you cannot say anything. Ibrahim Mahama asema working. Ibrahim Mahama, or your job, or no, your minister, and now your deputy minister, and now no that board biso. And some are working and I dance here new. Say Ibrahim Mahama, why you be born Nibia Bokrono to say the Waboya, I didn't know, or ye Juma no nam as a free man. Mesreno, Umwa dia kakra, you be an Yadinasam Konoso. Ibrahim Mahama the reputation you bua or war wiase no etra Ghana etra bibrim nyina onimo onko bisa president ko for enye ne fourth choice successful one year by minister 1 year by deputy minister say bisa bim preduasa at a young age of 44
God
omo a wa for madwuma e be a professors e be a doctors e be a nimdifo otu omoka he puts food on the table of more than 5,000 Ghanaians
including
so stop making noise. Because we are bread yama. In any case, you fan impose your mama ebi. I don't see any was your mama about point in you are to say the match the Kufuabi. You fan impose your mama ebi. Minia, bonim you know. And must have born any the papa na. That's two wrongs make a right. As a bisa I didn't Ghana for a 2 abaso system. It is same pop where eye fie nyansa ne ye kan yo empo enya no kro be empo se ye no kra na che se president Akufo-Addo so me bi ade president Akufo-Addo ne master president Akufo-Addo ne master ne John Mahama wo suasua na they all cannot rationalize and equalize and toss mu abanim but because he's shouting he wouldn't know, he wouldn't learn that. Minu ya odi no to nchen a ma tu mra kire wisie mabobo ministers di kire me di anya no kre ni ehu se wo na wo ka no kre wo na wa dance na mebo wotimi kem wo se Glory Akufo onye Akufo-Addo nua ene wo nim de wo ka Glory Akufo firi Akropon Akufo-Addo ne papa firi Akropon omunyina yo fori o mata let me make my point because it's legitimate omunyina firi Akropon omunyina yo fori kumafo unima akobi so mase omuye nuafo entimi ka eya no kre menu ya odi no toto nchen a ena o mako school o mabobra Ghana fo mo hwe dwane a hantan a o mu da na di wo TV so dwane a hantan because MPP about from nowhere when you post Ghana gas massa you were here when you was talking. Allow me to talk. No, Mr. Host, allow me to make my point. What's not how Mobi can say? What's not Mobi can say in the answer? You let me proceed. Me say, Minia.
Let's go.
The point I am making is very simple. Mama, examples. Mr. Tiffy Flagstaff House, my bomb ministers, my trauma, mama. Nina, dance. Now me say me pass on bet my ear, Jumano. But is that the argument? No, Obi abusuam ye will be or competent. Okay. But yes, so be your man penia, and you won't call abusuam fontina waba. Apart from abusuam for me competent, can offer at our school here. Okay. Omunina school here, but I know one kwana school Ghana. It's a say ye BM near check opportunities in the mo be anya bi. So just yakasa ayaka boniana and then journey a hand time because they been nyanya post into kasa my yanka na ma betina radio so na mudi atem and I'm na school na mabobra. Say school near the bekasa me neka won you qualified to sit here. You are not even qualified to even clean the shoes of Ibrahim because we school be na wako. But let's proceed. Let's first because it's not even a debate. Simple be no waka me ba so. But asema make nyina ne say Ghana for mo na moto abayi aban. Okay. Minister of Finance, Minister for Rules, Minister for Works and Housing. All the ministries I've mentioned. Osafoma for say adwuma ni Ghana ni adwuma ma ne ma. Oncheni United ekoso abusia mamu ekoso. Say ye pa ese yara. Say ye peso dia. Ye sorry waka. Enye obi ne ba betena ababe didi mpanyifo astem ababe yesa me more dam say me dware na meta wo say na be dey.
Me das baba oro asame gemfi and I say you see. E na ba ye tu apo oda Roma.
One baby.
Me do.
One baby.
Yes sir.
Sebi say asem papa.
Oh, any time
now.
Me phone so
now one baby. Kojo bonsu ada Roma. Kojo bonsu.
Personal attack he dey
mayor of Kumasi. Now
I have spoken to the issues. No topic. I have done justice to it. I've shown you. Papa side.
Number one. Akufo-Addo. Sebi ne busua atitrufo wom. Omo sua de. Oma kusku, oma nyati, ena sebi omo credentials, omo nya kromfo, omo bo omo bra, ena omo position na oforiata ejina no, wabone bra, wabone bra, oforiata nkwa di na mebo. Baby, bobo Ajo Hackman, baby otre yako, akoyira o MPC na be no wabo. Same, Ajo Hackman, Rogaland, Bafoji, mabobo din baby, eno oforiata, e to ba bo omo aka tell me life for my head. Master don't do that. Why understand no cannot tia, we be am for atem, who is he? Who should so be calling to order? Make us am say bidi, we say call him to order. What me metan no for. Call him to order. One air control.
I don't know because I should call him.
Adam Sunana. Make us ask them. Please. Call him to Obinya Crawford. Obinya Onya Crawford. Yabako no na Onya Crawford. Oyo Obi Mampina. Sami Jamfi. What are you saying? Nadia no. What is it coming? I don't want to attacks now. No, but can make a chance to be a conform. You don't have anything to say. He doesn't have anything to say. Shut up. Take him to court. Take him shut up.
Amana betra no dey we bottom so we nimi answer that what is coming.
Onye Kronfo a, o brother is president, right?
Ibrahim, Mama, you are not even fit to
import to New York. And the back room.
What's the answer?
Import to New York. Back room.
Obi a invade duty. Now also Obra wa.
Onye Kronfo a, Obra wa. Onye Kronfo a. Ghana for Sika. Ghana for what we call Ghana equipment. Now they want to go to all the engineers and planners. Atare ho because brother the president.
Ba ku betimi ahwe for life. Ne ka.
Because Kronfo
mama.
Sika no abo. 20
engineers and planners
law school. Everybody not law school.
Yedi ebesi yankwa ijabetom ene ora ns owusu mempa Ghana Gas okasa ede emom obenya ha
sa we trip park na o go US anu bi na wanya bi
na metia free man no temeni ewe
ubedem
yo owusu mempa de te de Ghana Samija V na yete ne kana asada fie